Mango ice cream drink. Asalam-o-Alaikum. Today I am making mango ice cream drink. Summer is here. Let's make a refreshing mango ice cream drink in just 5 minutes. One mango add. Pour some chilled milk and blend it until smooth. No sugar add. 1½ packet add milk. Half-liter pack vanilla ice cream. Now add 2 scoops of creamy vanilla ice cream. Our thick and creamy drink is ready. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes.